Hi, welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning. My name is Carmen, and how are you this morning? I wanted to jump on here and wish you a Merry Christmas. This is your first time stopping by. Welcome, and especially a happy holidays to you. If you've watched any of my videos before, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. So today I give you my luxury items for Christmas. So I picked up these items from me to me, and I want to show them to you. I have a couple that are right here. I have one right behind me that is wrapped. And then I have a couple also that are going to be unboxings. So if you like luxury, because I do, then just keep watching. It's Christmas morning. What have you unwrapped? Comment below what you unwrapped. So let's just jump right into it. This little bag right here is Chanel. The sales associate at Nordstrom's gave me samples of the Coco Chanel and more samples. Samples is good. And then she gave me some sublimage. Yes, this is good. This is a good one. This one will get your skin right. So this is a great gift. Yes, smells good, feels good, works well. It's a good one. All right, there we go. Beautiful packaging. And this is for the eye cream. And then this is the moisturizer. All right, so let's move on to, let's just go how I'm going to pull it. All right, so this is from Fashion Bio. We have the nice little packaging that holds the receipt. This is something that I really wanted. So here it is, Louis Vuitton, and it is the Christmas animation coin purse. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm sure you've seen it. All right, there you go. Oh, and look, it's good. Yes, it is good. Oh, I love it. I'm so happy. I'm happy about this purchase. We probably need to speed this up, huh? Okay, so it's time for it. It smells good. What do you think? Comment below. What do you think? As I open this up, the name of the fragrance, Lost Cherry. This is something I've wanted for a year. Yes, a year now. And I finally purchased it. This is in the 100 milliliter, 3.4 full ounces. Let's get into this unboxing. Baccarat Rouge 540. Yes, here it is. This is another gift from me to me. Ooh, the light is coming through, isn't it? All right, so there we go. Just give you guys some eye candy. And lastly, that is nice. It's packaged nicely to me from me, but I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. It's from Kendra Scott. And these are what looks like rose gold Sophia earrings. Comment below if you like these. Maybe I purchased them. Have you ever purchased things because they were on sale? does it? The Chanel, the Louis Vuitton, the Tom Ford, the Barat or Baccarat, La Maison. This is Rouge 540. And then the Kendra Scott earrings. From me to me. Christmas luxury gifts. These are good. I think these are, oh Lord, did I forget something? Alright. Oh, this is already coming off. Okay, so no, I did not wrap it. Alright, so Mr. I forgot what his name. Jeffrey, Chase, Chad. I don't know. So let's look at that for me. Trying to see exactly what's going on behind you. Very nice dust bag. This is very nice. Care booklet. Cute little red envelope. Little extra rock studs. Dust bag is a bomb. Like for a purse. A design for a purse. Like a clutch. Please subscribe and then also hit that notification bell. And until then, remember, stay classy. Bye-bye.